Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, FC Tucker Realtors or jeffsells.com. Today we're going to see an absolutely stunning home. It's a 1969 Hollywood Regency Style mid-century. This beautiful home is on Bloomington's north side. It's just minutes to the university, and it has some of the best style of any home in the county. Take a look. This home is located conveniently in Blue Ridge Estates. Now, Blue Ridge is just about a half a mile from the Indiana University campus. This home itself is on a little over a third of an acre, has a fenced backyard, and has gorgeous landscaping. This home takes on a great California feel with the sliders across the back, the beautiful natural surfaces like slate, cherry, and you get light from both sides, north to south. It feels very airy and light. The clean lines of this kitchen are fantastic for modernists. It's a natural cherry cabinetry, there's a walk-in pantry, plus you have a beautiful quartz countertop that has a really beautiful neutral tone. The third bedroom, or the den, is split from the other bedrooms and makes a really great guest space. The distinctive style of this home is so impressive. You get walls of glass, the beautiful finishes, and there's something just cheerful to be in this space. The master suite is oversized. There are 2 closets, and it has an absolutely great area that's perfect for just a little sitting area or possibly even a little small study. Thank you again for taking this video open house of this architectural gem here in Bloomington. If you have any questions, please feel free to rely on jeffsells.com or contact me, Jeff Franklin from FC Tucker Realtors at 812-360-5333.